one more thing before we set off. When round here we're getting a lot of cars stolen, especially off the forecourt or garage forecourts around our area, on the local housing estates, and all the ones that have been pinched are keyless ignition and keyless entry. Now this one's just keyless ignition, but I will show you, got these bags from Amazon, get 2 of them for £8, and they're Faraday pouches, so signals can't get through. So I'll just show you. Here's the key, car starts, keyless go. Put the key in the bag, fasten it, and the car won't start. So in the old days, people used to put the keys on the sideboard or the telephone table that everybody used to have in the hall, and thieves used to go with a fishing rod and hook them, take them out, nick your keys and drive them. Now they don't need to. They just need to have a signal snatcher stand outside your house, relay the signal to the car, and they're away. So for the sake of £8 for 2 of these, I would recommend you get them. I can't stand car thieves. I'd shoot the lot of them. So please do that. Put them out of business. Right, I'm going to take you for a ride.